Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Select the text box right away. Don't waste time. You need to know the current font family and size shown in the top bar because Canva keeps styles per element. If the text won't resize, make sure the element is not locked or part of a group. Unlock or ungroup it so individual settings apply. Once unlocked, click the font size field and type the exact number you want. This ensures precision and prevents accidental scaling versus true font size change. Type the exact font size into the font size box rather than dragging corner handles, because dragging scales the element and may not change the font metric. Then, adjust line height and letter spacing so text wraps and aligns as intended. These settings maintain readability when size changes. If you need to resize the whole document, use Canva's Resize tool and choose to keep text as editable. This preserves font properties. Make sure to preview at final dimensions before exporting. Export at the correct canvas size and file type. For print, use PDF with fonts embedded because that preserves exact sizing. If the font unexpectedly reverts after export or on another device, the usual culprit is a missing font in your account or a brand kit override. Check those first. If problems persist, replace the font on the element, clear your browser cache, or re-upload the project copy. Doing these steps fixes most issues and ensures consistent font size everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.